Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. Apple doesn't want you to know about this feature because they are recording you. Let's go into the setting and find out. So you go into the settings, go a little bit down and you'll see there is a tab. It's called the privacy and security. Tap on that thing. You'll see this is the location services. Turn it on. You'll see system services. When you go to the system services, go a little down. You'll find this is significant location. So if you turn your location on, they can track you, and according to your location they'll keep recording there. But I just cleared everything, so just log in here. So in my record it says 0 records, which mean I just cleared all thing. So I have no location summary, nothing. But just find out in your phone and see how many records are there. So you can just go in the history, clear history, and make sure you turn off your location and go back. And the most of the time, look at this, if you turn off, they'll ask you for this. Just go back for this thing. And what I recommend, turn on the all location services, so you will save your battery and your location and some privacy. Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the next video.